Ikaw?
Apple Yearly.
Grade 4.
Walang 4.
Walang 4, ha? Walang 4. Tumbler. Yung 4, dalawang 2.
Hello, ayan. Ang mga school supplies po ay pang elementary. Sorry po. Kung may high school, meron naman pong tindahan ng school supplies. Sorry po. Kinder hanggang grade 3 pala. Sorry po. Daycare hanggang grade 3. Kung kayo ay 4, 5, 6, sorry po, bilhin na lang po kayo sa school supplies. Sorry. Saka high school. Ulitin ko, from daycare hanggang grade 3. Yung po, grade 4, grade 5, grade 6, kayong tatlong magkakasunod, 4, ay exit naman.
Grade 1.
Grade 1.